and welcome back to this stupid game. So now we're on level 2. Let's just do it. Now, by the way, this is my 3rd time recording this video, like episode 2, so I really hope that it doesn't mess up again, because, yeah. Now, once you kind of get the pattern for it, do it fairly well, and also the main thing about it, each time I want to record one of these episodes, I have to do all the levels again. Utterly annoying. Boost yourself. Okay. Level 2, I don't like it. No! Because, like, what? Why do my hammer just go straight? Why do my hammer just go straight? Stop! Thank you. Why do my hammer go through? That's not good! How? That's all I can say is how. What? Did you see a little cheese face at the top there? That was strange. Oh. No, that's not nuts. Alright, do so well the first time. Huh? Huh? Okay. Good. Oh! Come on. Get up. Place the bomb there. Place yourself there. Go up. This is the easy part. This is the part that is easy. How am I messing this up? Like, this is the easy part. I've done this so many times now. How am I messing it up? Okay, let's stay level. Put yourself. Don't go too hard. Be who you wanna be for who you are. What? I have done that jump probably so many times now, and now for some reason I just can't even do it. Like, I just can't do it. I've done that so many times, and I've only failed like 3 times. That one time, the other time was episode, and then one other failed recording. Come on, game. Oh, come on! Okay. And if I do make it to level 3 in this video, I want to try to speed run that. Like, this is the easy part. Why am I messing it up? Like, these 2 jumps, these are the easy parts. But to me, they're the hard parts. Because I'm not good at these things. Okay, you stay level, and then don't bump into it! Stop! Like, the thing with this game is that when you bump into the littlest thing, you go flying to Narnia. So it's like impossible to do any progress. What? I'm just like, how do you game now? Stop bounce. Like, why do you bounce? What? Okay, just stop, please. Okay. How do you game? It's just like, how did that even happen in the game? Like this. What? Why do you do that? Stop doing that. Why? Music sure doesn't help. Why? Push. Hey. one way to walk. What? Like, I've been saying this. This is the easy part. Why? I just want to get to the branch. What? Stop going backwards. That's not the way that you go. Come on! Stop doing that! Why? This is just like pain. Pain best served with pepper. Okay. Nice. Why? Why do you bounce away? Why? Just why? That's a fall. Yep. Goodness, why? Don't you dare push me off. Thank you. I just want to get back to level 3 where I was in a previous recording. And I just want to get up to here because that's where the Why did I do that? That could have been the one where I actually make it up, but then guess what? I failed it. Just like everything else I've done. Just why? Like, he could have spent 2 more minutes coding for this game, and it'd be great. But what did he do? He spent like 10 minutes on it. Oh my god. Oh my! Don't dare fall. Oh good, I'm gonna fall now. That's the way that this game likes to play. What?! No clue how that even happened, but whatever. Whatever. Just, like, make it. Use your arms and make it. That's dead. Why? Why does your hammer move? My god. Where'd you go? What? Okay, all I want for you to do is to just make the jump. Here. Please. That's all I'm asking. Yes. Now it's on this branch, and I have an even higher chance of falling from this branch. Oh snap. Okay, that's fine. I didn't fall all the way back down, so it's good. Oh. Okay. That was close, but not close enough. No! Why? Oh my god. Why did you fall? Level 2. I hate level 2. I just want to stop playing this game and just move on to something more important in life. Oh my, stop! God! Get up! Why are you stuck in the floor? Stop! Stop going backwards! Don't think that you can just lay off like that again. Stop bouncing. Just why? Just absolutely why? Stop! At the branch again. Why did you just jump? Like, why did your hammer bounce around? Ew. You just go there? Well, I don't think you're so dumb. Wait, can you go onto here? No, you can't. Maybe you can. I highly doubt it. I'm trying to concentrate on this. Wait, no. Don't do that.
Well done!
Holy cow, finally! Now, I've heard of a glitch. I know it's gonna work. Not yet. It's not gonna work yet. Don't worry. Good. I got there, kinda. Not really. Okay, I'm just gonna try level 3 for a bit. And see how it do. What? No, no! Okay. Now, I know how this level works. You gotta go on these ropes, and you have to like hold down mouse to be on them. Tally up! Nice. I'm fine. Shut up. I know there's a way to do it. I don't know how you do it, but there's a way to do it. How do you do it? Oh! Like, oh! I just did it! I did the cool thing! Okay, I'm on level 4 now. Don't know how I did that, but I did that. Huh. I didn't even play levels here. You need to do this. Okay, well I'm gonna try to go through this mess of a maze. Ew, it's good music though. Ooh, that's poppin'. Okay. I don't know where to go now. Do I go up there? I don't know. Okay, don't fall. That just said to not fall! Okay. We gotta get up. Did he change the mechanics for level 4? Those did for some reason. But this background is weirdly trippy. Come on. I want to beat the game now, because then I'd have to do it all over again. But I do indubitably think that I'm going to leave this episode here. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!